Ever wondered what that mysterious key in Hamster Kombat is for? If you've been scratching your head trying to figure out how to get it and why it's so important, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll unravel the secrets behind this cryptic key and why it might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay tuned. I've received numerous comments on my videos asking me to explain how to get this key and what it's actually used for. So, in this video, I'll delve into this topic and reference the official Hamster Kombat announcement about the key's function. This key has been around since before the task system was introduced in Hamster Kombat. Initially, it appeared on the screen even before the mini-game associated with it was added. To engage with this mini-game, you simply need to click on the key icon. Once you start the mini-game, you have approximately 35 seconds to complete the task, although when it first launched, you only had 30 seconds. The objective of the mini-game is to remove the key by rearranging the puzzle pieces depicted in the diagram. You need to drag and position these pieces in such a way that you can extract the key. It requires quick thinking and swift movements to beat the timer. Successfully removing the key will reward you with one key, which will appear in your notification area. If you complete the task again the following day, you will earn an additional key, making it 2 keys in total. This daily accumulation of keys could be crucial for future game updates and rewards, so it's essential to keep playing and collecting these keys regularly. Despite the limited time of 35 seconds, which makes the mini-game quite challenging, the key holds significant importance. The short time frame requires players to think and act quickly, adding a layer of difficulty to the task. Ideally, extending the time limit to 40 or even 45 seconds would make the game more manageable for many players. However, as it stands, the brief window to complete the puzzle makes it a true test of skill and speed. Failing to obtain the key could potentially impact your standing in Hamster Kombat. This key might not only be a simple in-game item but could also serve as a criterion for earning certain rewards or unlocking special features in the future. The game's developers have hinted at its importance, suggesting that accumulating these keys might be crucial for upcoming updates or events. Therefore, regularly playing the mini-game and securing these keys could be essential for maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring you don't miss out on potential future benefits in Hamster Kombat. According to the Hamster Kombat announcement, this key is referred to as a cryptic key, and is emphasized as being extremely useful. While the exact utility of the key hasn't been clearly specified yet, the developers have strongly hinted at its potential future importance. They have advised players to play the puzzle to get the key once a day, and have assured that there are many other exciting things to come, so stay tuned. This guidance suggests that, although the key doesn't currently impact your profit per hour or your coin balance, its value may become evident in future game updates. The term cryptic key itself implies that there are hidden uses or future functionalities that will be unlocked over time. The announcement's emphasis on the key's extreme usefulness indicates that players should prioritize collecting it daily, as it could play a significant role in upcoming events, rewards, or game mechanics. Therefore, while the key might seem insignificant right now, diligently obtaining it could prove to be a strategic move. Players who consistently collect the key may find themselves at an advantage when its full purpose is revealed. The developer's hints and the special terminology used to describe the key suggest that its importance is not to be underestimated. Staying engaged and keeping an eye out for further updates will be crucial for making the most of this mysterious game element. For those of you wondering about the purpose of this key, it doesn't currently serve to increase your profits or coin balance in Hamster Kombat. At this moment, the key doesn't contribute directly to your in-game earnings or resources. However, acquiring it daily could prove to be highly beneficial in the future. The game's developers have hinted at the key's potential importance in upcoming updates, so it's wise to start collecting it now. Many of you have reached out with questions about this key, and I hope this video provides the clarity you need. While the key may not have an immediate impact on your gameplay, its future significance cannot be overlooked. Keeping up with daily tasks to obtain this key could position you advantageously when its full utility is eventually revealed. Additionally, I believe the current game time should be extended to make the minigame more user-friendly. At present, you have only 35 seconds to complete the puzzle, which can be quite challenging. Increasing this time limit to 40, 50, or even 60 seconds would make the game more achievable without requiring players to memorize the puzzle layout in advance. A longer time frame would allow for a more enjoyable and less stressful experience, enabling players to focus on strategy rather than just speed. Your feedback and suggestions are valuable, and I hope the developers consider extending the time limit to enhance the gameplay experience. In the meantime, continue to collect the key daily, stay tuned for future updates, and remember that the effort you put in now may pay off significantly down the road. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button below to join our community. Thank you so much for your support, I genuinely appreciate it.